10. Hopefully I have this same energy because this is my 10th video. Now I don't have the overhead light on, so this is what it looks like. I love how this looks. Isn't it pretty? We have a wreath here on the door, and I do realize that the color temperature here is cooler than the lights over here. Let's walk here. I did turn on this light so that it wouldn't be too terribly dark in here. And we have our mini Christmas tree. So I'm going to turn on some lights so that I can give you all the good detail about what I have going on and the changes I made for the holiday season. Now, I'm not going to do the full tour. If you want to see everything that I have set up in my homeschool classroom, I'm going to link the previous video. It will go into all the specifics here. But I will say this because somebody's going to be like, girl, what is this? Like, what is happening here? This is a tree that I made out of construction paper. Now, the only thing I did was I put up snowflakes everywhere. I got these snowflakes from the Oriental Trading Company, and I just laminated them and put them on the wall. I printed this out online. Also, the snowman I printed online. Here we have some garland. I featured this in my Target haul video. I'm also going to link that down below. And what I did was I attached it with the command strip thingies, like the little hook. I love the command strips. I tell you what, I use them for some of everything. And I just put some lights around it, and I'll show you the light that I used. So these are the battery operated lights that I used here. From the Target haul video, I showed you this ornament. This is Mrs. Claus. We have two of these elves here. And I picked up a mouse. One of the girls had somehow took the arm off the mouse and I had to glue it back. Here is the other elf. And lastly, we have Santa, whose belt needs to be glued back on. I could only imagine who did that. Now here I have a wreath on the door, and behind this door is my laundry room. If you missed my, hey, come look at my laundry room video, I'm going to link that down below in the description bar as well. These lights right here, I've had them for a long time. I got them from Pier 1. And the ornaments that I have, they're just some little fabric ornaments that I made. I can show you all how to do these. They're very simple to make. Now coming over here to the desk area of the classroom, I have a Hello Winter sign. I know what you're thinking, but Shug is not even winter. I know, but I wanted to go ahead and put it up. And I printed this out online, as well as this. Actually, everything over here was printed online. If we make our way over here to our Owl Ask wall, so these are the prompts that we use when we ask a question. Only thing I did was I put a winter hat on the owl, and I just stuck some more of those snowflakes. I'm telling you, there were so many snowflakes in that packaging, and I don't even have them all up because it would just been too much. Now, if we swing over here, we have our Christmas tree. I showed you guys what this Christmas tree looked like in the Target haul video. So all of the little ornaments are up here. And I just took some old fabric and some elastic, and I made this fabric garland decoration type deal. And I'll show you all how to do that. It is so simple. And if you have extra fabric, that's a way to go ahead and use that up. I also made a tree skirt, very simple, had some extra fabric, and I used the top of a pot to get the circle because, you know, there's a way to find a radius and all the other stuff. I wasn't doing all that, so I just went ahead and used a top. And then lastly, I have some additional snowflakes right here. So that is it for the update with my homeschooling classroom. I hope that you all enjoyed it. So yeah, if you have not done so, subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every single day for Vlogmas, and I will see you all tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. And there's the cat. All right, guys, be blessed. Peace.